In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research in Ubersuggest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find practical, low-competition keyword ideas you can actually rank for. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Ubersuggest. When the results appear, click the official Ubersuggest website. This ensures you're using the right tool with the latest features and accurate data. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. Being signed in helps you access more results and save your research so you can come back to it later. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to the keyword research interface. Now, in the search bar, type a broad term related to your business or content topic. Think of this as your seed keyword, the umbrella idea that describes what you offer. For example, if you sell eco-friendly products, you might start with something like eco-friendly gifts. Keep it general for now. We'll narrow it down with filters in a moment. Before you run the search, set the region. Choose the language and country that match your target audience so the data lines up with how real people in that market search. When that's set, click AI Search. This will generate a list of related keyword ideas, variations, and questions people are asking based on your seed term. With results on the screen, click the Filters button to narrow things down. Filters help you focus on keywords that are realistically achievable and worth your effort. Two settings matter most here: SEO difficulty and search volume. For SEO difficulty, aim for a score between 0 and 35, which is typically highlighted in green. This range is ideal if you have a newer website or limited authority. It signals lower competition, giving you a better shot at ranking more quickly. For search volume, look for keywords that get at least 100 to 500 searches per month. This sweet spot balances demand with competition. It's enough traffic to matter, without putting you up against the toughest rivals. Remember, relevance comes first. Pick terms that truly match your content, product, or service. As you review the refined list, identify keywords that clearly match user intent and fit your expertise. When you find a good candidate, click the plus icon next to it and select Add to List. This keeps your best ideas organized in one place, so you can plan content and track progress over time. That's it. Simple, targeted, and effective keyword research in Ubersuggest.